Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Word's default font. First, open Microsoft Word and start a new blank document. Then, locate the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the font group within this tab and click the tiny arrow in its bottom right corner. This action will open the font dialog box, which is our next step. Now that the font dialog box is open, it's time to pick your new default. Browse through the font list and select your preferred typeface. Next, choose a font style like regular, italic, or bold. Finally, set your desired font size. A common choice is 11 points for most documents. These selections will define the new look of your text. With your font, style, and size chosen, look for the Set as Default button at the bottom of the dialog box. Click it, and a prompt will appear asking where to apply these changes. To make this your permanent default for all future documents, select All New Documents based on the normal template. This ensures consistency across your work. To confirm your changes, close Microsoft Word entirely and then launch it again. Open a brand new blank document. You should immediately see your newly chosen font, style, and size applied automatically. This confirms that your default font settings have been successfully updated for all future documents you create. Enjoy your personalized Word experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.